my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini Show to Taste Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick, simple, easy ginger pork recipe. It's so easy, so simple, so delicious. It goes very well with fried rice. Fried rice recipes also in my channel. You can see that one. So let's get started. Let's start cooking this dish now. Ginger pork. So I'm adding a little bit of oil here. As the oil get hot, I'm going to add about half a cup of thinly sliced ginger. You need ginger for this dish. I'm actually taking about 350 grams of meat here, 350 to 370 grams of meat, and I'm adding half a cup of ginger. So I'm adding my ginger here. Let the ginger fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets like slightly brown like that. After 3-4 minutes of frying, then we are going to add our meat. The smell is so good around here. And then fry this ginger and meat together for about another 4 to 5 minutes before we adding anything else. After 4-5 minutes frying this, I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoonful of soy sauce and then some pepper. At this point, what I'm doing, I will bring my heat high and I'm going to let that sauce, soy sauce and pepper like slightly get burnt like that, like it's giving very unique like barbecue flavored sauce and peppery smell and taste to this dish. So I always does that. Just let it put into high heat and cook for about 2 minutes and add some paprika here, so or cayenne pepper, however whatever you like you add, and add the chili to your taste always. So and let everything burn for a minute or two, not burning the meat but the sauce and the chili and the pepper, those things, for about 2-3 minutes, and then bring the heat back to medium. Trust me, it's give a very unique smell and taste to this dish. And I'm going to add some water here to cook my meat now. Not too much, just to cook. Enough for cooking this meat. So I'm going to cook this meat for about 15 minutes now. Meantime, I'm going to add a tablespoonful of oyster sauce. And then the sauce which I'm not dare to pronounce, it's very difficult for me to pronounce this sauce. There are two sauces that I cannot pronounce, oyster sauce and fish sauce. This both I really find sometimes I cannot. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it don't come at all. So oyster sauce I add around 1.5 tablespoon, and also fish sauce I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoon. So okay, I'm not adding any salt here because keep the salt as the last thing in your dish, because these sauces all have enough salt, So and I'm going to add about a teaspoonful of sugar here. I'm keeping salt as the last thing. In case if you need, you can add salt at last. And when it's halfway done, I'm going to add 1 onion. Let that an onion get cooked with this meat for about 4-5 minutes. It's also giving nice when it nice like like sweetness, and also kind of a unique flavor to this dish. Let it get sweat nicely for about 4-5 minutes. After 4-5 minutes, I'm going to add one big tomato here. Mix well and then cook for about another 5 minutes. So now here my gravies. I have very little gravy here, but I want to thicken this gravy now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take superior dark soy sauce, which is darker, 45% darker than the normal soy sauce. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoonful with 2 tablespoons full of water, and with 1 tablespoonful cornstarch I'm going to add here. So 1 superior dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoonful of cornstarch. I'm going to mix well, and I'm going to add it here, but I like it to be more darker, so maybe later I may add another teaspoonful of superior dark soy sauce. So now it's going to get thickened very quick, so keep it as low as possible. Let that corn flour get cooked for 2-3 minutes, not longer than that. So it's going to get cooked very quick now. Here I also add a few bell pepper. You saw that one, I think it's optional. And then that, as the last thing, I'm going to add some sesame oil. It is also another very unique taste and smell will bring out from this dish. It's optional if you like, but I always love to add for this dish. It's up to you. So here we go. This is the final dish now. After 2-3 minutes cooking in low heat, we can remove it and we can start eating this with my fried rice. It goes very well with fried rice. Please give it a try. Let me know your feedback, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with more recipes and garnish as however you like. Till I see you with my next video, stay safe and take care, and bye bye to everybody. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day to everybody.